Hi, I'm Aidan from Krooztune. Today we're out here at Neerim. We're going to be going through the Krooztune Hard Parts Gen2 Xplor Kit for your EXC. So today with the Krooztune Gen2 kit, we're going to walk through and explain a few of the key components within the kit that's supplied to the EXC range. Within the front fork, in its OEM trim, the compression adjuster is not very strong. So our first step is installing our Krooztune flow adjuster kit to be driven off of the OEM compression cap at the top of the left-hand fork. Then also, for some more finer tuning of the pure compression base units, we install an adjustable system into the bottom of both fork legs to give you fine tuning when out riding in the bush. Now, paired with the flow adjuster being the much far superior, stronger adjuster, this is a great all-round package from your slow technical hard trail to then your open fire trail to then your more serious, faster sand whooped out sections. With the back end of the EXC, the first thing we do is we install the gas bladder system to the rear shock. Now this is reducing heat and shock fatigue out of this unit, especially with it being a PDS unit with no linkage system. The next major part of the rear shock setup kit, utilising our Krooztune Shock piston and high speed piston. This creates a nice overall feeling of initial plushness, but then getting that harsh action out of the rear shock.